Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment. I am Joel, and I'm back on the video again. Just a quick little video. Today is Sunday, and usually I can clean my cars and stuff, and I can't do that right now because of my situation. And I'll let you see here what I'm talking about. This is Electra, you know, she's kind of just been sitting around, a little dirty, not too bad, but yeah. So I got contacted a while back from Black Ops Detailing here in RVA, and they got a wind of my situation, and they're gonna come by and detail my car for me today. Just a wash, I guess, is what they're doing, but I appreciate those guys for helping me out because I can't do anything with it. But I'll show you the process that they do today, and we'll go from there. So catch you in a little bit, alright? Peace. Alright guys, they're here about to take care of my car. Here. Let me get you a shot of their side so you can look them up. Hit them up for your detail needs, man. So, alright guys, they're in the middle of doing some cleaning on it right now. Let me show you what's going on. They've done the engine compartment. They're doing around the car now, squeegeeing it, getting it all dried up. So, see how it comes out. Like I said, they've done a really good job so far. And it being on Sunday on Father's Day, and I was greatly appreciated at that, since I haven't been able to do it. So yeah, we'll go ahead and keep an eye on it, and like I said, if you're in the RVA, check out Black Ops. I'll put the link in the description, and we'll go from there. Alright? See ya. Quick little video on this today. Like I said, they gave me a hookup because of my condition and stuff, so they came and helped me out a little bit. So like I said, they did a real good job, and they took their time doing it. So I'm pretty proud of that, and anybody that knows me, I'm pretty picky about my car and how I get it clean. So like I said, if you want to hit up Black Onyx here in RVA, I'll throw their number down there and their web address, and then their Instagram also, and then just give them a shout, tell them that I sent you, and they'll be more than happy to help you out with any of your automotive car care needs. On that note, I'm going to go ahead and take off and have a rest of my Father's Day here. But to all you fathers out there, I hope y'all have a good Father's Day. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. And yep, we'll catch you.